currently have a Beretta 21A. So when I saw the 20X being released, I thought it would be a nice addition. It has the high sights for a suppressor, comes pre-threaded. Magazine release is now in a much more convenient location, a much improved trigger. And the problem with this one is, though, I've only fired about 200 rounds through it, got it last week. And from the beginning, when you release the slide on this one, what you do by pushing in versus trying to fight the old one, it's very easy to push in. The barrel pops up, it comes forward, but then the slide is not held tight. And just by simply vibrating it, it'll come apart. There's evidently something wrong where it latches into the frame. I don't know what it is. I'm sending it back to Beretta. I have not damaged it in any way, shape, or form, but it just does not want to stay locked in. It's not clicking. I'm pushing down, and if I turn the gun upside down, it'll again just open up. Not very good, Beretta.